What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So just two iPhone 14 models get rid of bangs. Now you will not need to turn the smartphone over in order to understand by the number of cameras whether this is a regular model or a Pro. According to the Chinese source MyDrivers, without naming their informants, only two models in the new iPhone 14 line will receive a screen without a famous bang-shaped cutout. Those models will be the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, which will feature a small opening for the front camera, as shown in the first renders of these devices. As for the standard version of the iPhone 14 with a screen diagonal of 6.1 inches, as well as new model called the iPhone 14 Max, which will receive a screen diagonal of 6.5 to 6.7 inches, they will retain the bangs. This will further separate the standard models and the Pro version from each other. Now it will not necessary to turn the smartphone over in order to understand by the number of cameras whether it is a regular model or a Pro version. It is also reported that users who are eagerly waiting the return of the Touch ID fingerprint scanner may be disappointed, as this technology is unlikely to appear in the iPhone 14. Although, judging by the survey, users want to see both Face ID and Touch ID on the iPhone. According to the previous report, a company from the Apple supply chain has confirmed that the iPhone 14 will no longer use bangs. The necessary technical reasons for this already exist. Also, iPhone 14 Pro showed on a high quality render from a trusted insider. The iPhone 14 Pro is expected to receive a small opening for the front camera, which may be oval in a shape. Verified online insider Ben Jeskin, who regularly posted interesting concept work and renders based on rumors and various leaks, has posted this new render image of the iPhone 14 Pro. According to Lin Yinping, CEO of optical lens company Largan, said a few days ago that there has been a breakthrough in optical technology. In the coming year, more mobile phone manufacturers will order high-quality lenses, such as the 8P from suppliers. In this case, the resolution of the image sensors will reach 200 megapixels. Lin Yinping also said that Largan has found a new solution to the problems that have plagued the optical industry for years. According to MyDrivers, Largan has technically solved the bang removal problem and has planned for mass production. Largan is one of the main suppliers of iPhone camera modules. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.